In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtasks in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. Subtasks in Jira are an amazing way to break down larger tasks into more manageable pieces, allowing for better tracking and progress on specific components of your work. So let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Jira account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Go ahead and enter your username and password and hit that login button. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Jira dashboard, where you can see all of your projects, tasks, and other important information. Now the next step is to click on the project where your subtask is located. You should see a list of all the projects you're involved in on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Clicking on the correct project will take you to that project's main page, where all related tasks and activities are organized. Next, let's locate the specific task that you want to break down into subtasks. Within the project space, you may find various options for viewing your tasks, such as a backlog, active sprints, or even specific boards if your project is set up that way. Click on the relevant section and look for the main task that you'll be focusing on. Once you've found that main task, you want to actually look for where you'll create or view the subtasks. When you click on that main task, it should open a detailed view of the task itself. Here you can see important details such as the task's description, status, and assignee. Now if you scroll down, there are options related to subtasks. You might see a button or a link that reads Add Subtask or something similar. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic happens. You can begin to create your subtasks by providing a summary or title for each one, which helps you clearly define what portion of the overall task this subtask will cover. You can also add descriptions, set priorities, assign team members, and establish due dates for each subtask. This way, everyone involved understands what's being worked on and when it needs to be completed. This functionality is particularly helpful if your project has multiple components that need to be tackled simultaneously. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Create button for the subtask and voila! Your new subtask should now be visible under the main task. Keep in mind that you can create multiple subtasks for a single task, each focusing on different aspects of that main task. If you need to revisit or modify these subtasks later, you can always navigate back to the main task and manage them there. You can mark them as complete, edit their details, or even delete them if they're no longer needed. Remember, the power of subtasks lies in better organization and the ability to delegate work among team members, which allows for improved efficiency and productivity. In short, Jira provides a robust framework for project management, and subtasks are just one feature that can make your life a lot easier when handling complex tasks. By implementing these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Jira and making the most out of its capabilities. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more comfortable using subtasks in Jira. If you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing!